Alrighty, the wind's shifting, and so we're gonna Nunjack. I think this one's Nunjack. We're just gonna go to the end of this island, get a bit of protection for the day and night, and then we'll move somewhere else tomorrow as the wind shifts around to the west. Alrighty, we are kind of by a green turtle at Nunjack area. The reef's awesome here. So, oh, it just got a grouper. It's awesome. Kill this? I can't kill it. It's like, oh my God! Is that alive or is that dead? It's like, no way. It's like, look at Matt. Zach, we're gonna finish this. So crazy. We this time of year, it's you just never know what's gonna happen. Close to hurricane season, and here we are. It's here, and it's real. Can't wait to get out of here. This will probably we thought we had 2 more weeks, but honestly, this is probably reawakening from last year to get the heck out of here. Well, we're going on about 10 minutes. So exciting. It's crazy, this boat right here. One of the things that we've, I guess, learned, let your anchor work and utilize it, and don't. This guy's motoring all over the place, and he's on. I'm surprised he hasn't gotten his anchor caught in his prop. It's crazy, but anyway, just let your anchors work. So our friends just radioed these guys, and they just panicked. They're new to boating, and they panicked, and so they're just motoring all over the place when their anchor's down. And it's you know, one of the biggest things is having the right scope according to your boat, and having a bit oversized anchor, and you can avoid so much worry. You know, it's, yeah, for us it's worrisome. The beach is what, 200 meters away, and so yeah, you're worried about it, but at the same time, I know I have enough anchor out where there's only 4 feet of water underneath our dagger boards, and anyway, very exciting. It's crazy. So the wind was blowing from pretty much directly west, and now we're facing pretty much south, but the swell is still coming from the wind, so the swell's coming from our back. Kind of fun. Anyway, it's once again, it's so important when you're anchoring. You know, we almost anchored where that boat was freaking out. We almost anchored there, but I realized if we swung, we'd be too close to shore. And that's kind of why they were scared. But so I moved to where we were just so we could go 360 and no problem. So anyway, just things you learn along the way by making mistakes, and it's always exciting. We got dinner going.
We got stroganoff.
Ooh.
It's gonna be good.
Looks good. Thank you, Mama. Well, day 2. Beautiful weather. I have 20 minutes of rain so far.
I'm not winning. Oh, I might win. One more left. One more left. No. Oh, I just got 10Zs.
All right, we just came over to back over to Nunjack area. All the storms have passed, and man, it's perfect out here. And the visibility, amazing. Nunjack Cay is a fascinating little island with few homes. The untold history and remarkable beauty of the Bahamas are awe-inspiring. Ruby the captain. Good job. You guys ready? Where are we going, Oz?
It's the Mangroves.
Mangroves on what island?
This island.
That one.
What's it called?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, Nunjack.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Nunjack.
Nunjack.
Manjack.
Well, Nunjack, Munjack. Look right here, Ruth.
Oh, Daddy!
No, that's the dad.
Baby, Mommy, Daddy. Look at that one.
Oh, there's a teeny one.
Oh, and a big one. Look. Together.
Oh, there's like 5 right there. Oh, here's one right here.
Oh, whoa. Whoa, Ruby. Whoa, Grandpa.
Whoa, there's a huge fish.